Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, turgid. Spelling, T-U-R-G-I-D. Meaning, not provided in the search results. However, it generally means swollen or congested, often used to describe writing or language that is overly elaborate or pompous. Synonyms, not provided in the search results. However, common synonyms include bloated, inflated. Antonyms, not provided in the search results. However, common antonyms include concise, clear. Usage. The turgid prose made the novel difficult to read. The professor criticized the student's essay for its turgid writing style. Word, turpitude. Spelling, T-U-R-P-I-T-U-D-E. Meaning, very immoral behavior, baseness, vileness, depravity. Synonyms, wickedness, evil, corruption. Antonyms, not provided in the search results. However, common antonyms include virtue, morality. Usage. The politician's turpitude was exposed in the scandal. The novel explored the themes of turpitude and redemption. Word, uncanny. Spelling, U-N-C-A-N-N-Y. Meaning, strange and difficult to explain, mysterious, eerie, weird. Synonyms, weird, strange, mysterious. Antonyms, ordinary, natural. Usage. The old mansion had an uncanny atmosphere. She bore an uncanny resemblance to her grandmother. Word, unctuous. Spelling, U-N-C-T-U-O-U-S. Meaning, complacent, self-satisfied, smug, profusely polite, especially in an insincere and unpleasant manner. Synonyms, greasy, oily, mellowy. Antonyms, unctuous. Usage. The unctuous smile of the salesman made me distrust him. The professor's unctuous tone was off-putting. Word, undulate. Spelling, U-N-D-U-L-A-T-E. Meaning, to move or cause to move in waves, to have or provide with a wavy form or appearance. Synonyms, wave, roll, surge. Antonyms, not provided in the search results. However, common antonyms include straighten, flatten. Usage. The flag undulated in the breeze. The countryside began to undulate as we traveled south. Word, upbraid. Spelling, U-P-B-R-A-I-D. Meaning, to scold, reproach, reprove, rebuke, or charge reproachfully. Synonyms, reprimand, censure, chastise. Antonyms, praise, commend, compliment. Usage. She upbraided him for his reckless behavior. The teacher upbraided the student for not doing his homework. Word, usurp. Spelling, U-S-U-R-P. Meaning, to seize, take over, or appropriate something without authority. Synonyms, seize, take over, assume. Antonyms, yield, relinquish, surrender. Usage. The pretender tried to usurp the throne. The company usurped the competitor's market share. Word, utopia. Spelling, U-T-O-P-I-A. Meaning, an imaginary place or society that is perfect or ideal. Synonyms, paradise, heaven, Eden. Antonyms, dystopia, nightmare, chaos. Usage. The novel described a utopia where everyone lived in harmony. The philosopher envisioned a utopia with no poverty or crime. Word, vacillate. Spelling, V-A-C-I-L-L-A-T-E. Meaning, to waver or fluctuate in one's decisions or opinions. Synonyms, waver, hesitate, falter. Antonyms, decide, resolve, determine. Usage. She vacillated about whether to take the job offer. The politician vacillated on his stance on the issue. Word, validate. Spelling, V-A-L-I-D-A-T-E. Meaning, to confirm or verify the accuracy or legitimacy of something. Synonyms, confirm, verify, authenticate. Antonyms, invalidate, disprove, refute. Usage. The data was validated through rigorous testing. The expert validated the theory with empirical evidence. Word, vapid. Spelling, V-A-P-I-D. Meaning, dull, uninspiring, and lacking in liveliness or substance, often resulting in a sense of blandness or emptiness. Synonyms, dull, uninspiring, bland. Antonyms, lively, inspiring, engaging. Usage. The vapid conversation at the party left me feeling bored and unentertained. The movie's vapid plot failed to capture the audience's attention. Word: variegated. Spelling: variegated. Meaning: having many different colors, consisting of a number of different kinds. Synonyms: varicolored, mottled, motley. Antonyms: monochromatic, uniform, homogeneous. Usage: the variegated leaves of the plant added a touch of color to the garden. The city's variegated culture was reflected in its diverse culinary scene. Word: vehemently. Spelling: vehemently. Meaning: with great force or intensity, strongly emotional or passionate. Synonyms: forcefully, intensely, passionately. Antonyms: mildly, calmly, dispassionately. Usage: she spoke vehemently against the proposed policy, arguing it would harm the community. He vehemently defended his friend, refusing to believe the accusations. Word: venerable. Spelling: venerable. Meaning: commanding respect because of great age or impressive dignity, worthy of veneration or reverence. Synonyms: respected, august, sage. Antonyms: disrespected, undignified, unimpressive. Usage: the venerable professor was celebrated for his lifetime of contributions to the field. The venerable monument stood as a testament to the city's rich history. Word: verbose. Spelling: verbose. Meaning: using or containing more words than are necessary. Synonyms: wordy, talkative, loquacious. Antonyms: concise, succinct, brief. Usage: the verbose explanation left the audience confused and disinterested. He was known for his verbose writing style, which often made his articles tedious to read. Word: verdant. Spelling: verdant. Meaning: covered with green vegetation, lacking experience or sophistication, naive. Synonyms: fresh, blooming, lush. Antonyms: not specified in the sources provided, but generally includes words like barren, dry. Usage: the verdant hills were a sight to behold in the spring. Her verdant youth made her more optimistic about the future. Word: vestige. Spelling: vestige. Meaning: a trace, mark, or remnant of something that has disappeared or no longer exists in its original form. Synonyms: trace, remnant, mark. Antonyms: not specified in the sources provided, but generally includes words like entirety, whole. Usage: the ruins of the ancient temple are the last vestige of a once great civilization. The old tradition left a vestige in the modern cultural practices. Word: vex. Spelling: vex. Meaning: to irritate, annoy, provoke, to torment, trouble, distress, plague, worry. Synonyms: irk, fret, nettle. Antonyms: delight. Usage: his noisy neighbors often vexed him. Lack of money vexes many people in the community. Word: vicarious. Spelling: vicarious. Meaning: not provided in the query sources, generally means experienced or felt through the imagination or senses of another. Synonyms: not provided in the query sources, generally includes words like indirect, surrogate, proxy. Antonyms: not provided in the query sources, generally includes words like direct, personal, first-hand. Usage: reading the novel gave her a vicarious experience of adventure. He lived vicariously through his children's achievements. Word: vicissitude. Spelling: vicissitude. Meaning: a change or variation occurring in the course of something, interchange or alternation, as of states or things, unpredictable changes or variations in life, fortune, etc. Synonyms: variation, mutability, alternation. Antonyms: not specified in the sources provided, but generally includes words like stability, constancy. Usage: the vicissitude of the sea made navigation challenging. Life is full of vicissitudes that test our resilience. Word: vilify. Spelling: vilify. Meaning: to speak or write about someone in an abusively disparaging manner, to make harmful, defamatory statements about someone, damaging their reputation. Synonyms: defame, slander, malign. Antonyms: praise, commend, honor. Usage: The politician's opponents tried to vilify her by spreading false rumors about her past. The media's tendency to vilify celebrities can have serious consequences for their mental health. Word: vindictive. Spelling: vindictive. Meaning: disposed or inclined to revenge, vengeful, proceeding from or showing a revengeful spirit. Synonyms: vengeful, malicious, spiteful. Antonyms: forgiving. Usage: her vindictive nature made it difficult for her to let go of past grudges. The vindictive rumors spread quickly, causing harm to the person's reputation. Word: vivacious. Spelling: vivacious. Meaning: lively and spirited, full of enthusiasm and boundless energy. Synonyms: lively, spirited, effervescent. Antonyms: dull, lifeless. Usage: she was known for her vivacious personality, which made her a favorite at parties. The vivacious actress brought energy and enthusiasm to every role she played. Word: vociferous. Spelling: vociferous. Meaning: loud, noisy, or vehement in making one's feelings known, clamorous. Synonyms: clamant, strident, clamorous. Antonyms: quiet, subdued. Usage: the vociferous crowd made it difficult for the speaker to be heard. She was vociferous in her criticism of the government's policies. Word: wane. Spelling: wane. Meaning: to decrease in size, amount, or intensity, to become smaller or less. Synonyms: diminish, decrease, lessen. Antonyms: increase, grow, rise. Usage: the moon's light began to wane as it moved away from full moon. Her interest in the hobby started to wane after a few months. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.